Okay, good day. So this will be my second video about the topic simple interest. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve or determine the simple interest. And this will be my first example. It says, suppose you invest 1,000 pesos at 8% simple interest. How much money will you have after 6 years? But before I solve this problem, let us first have a recall of the basic formulas in simple interest. Okay, the first formula is I equals PRT. Okay, where I is the interest, P principal, R the rate of interest, and T is time. And then for finding the future value of money, we have F equals P plus I. Okay, P the principal and I is the interest. The sum of these two is the future value of money. We have the third formula. We have P equals I over RT. Okay. Next, we have R equals I over PT. For T, we have I equals PR. Okay. Also, we have another formulas. Another formula for the future value of money. We have F equals P times quantity 1 plus RT. Okay, where F is the future value of money or the maturity value. Okay, P the principal, R is the rate of interest or just simply the rate, T the time, and I is the interest. Okay, okay. Now we already know the basic formulas. In simple interest, we are now ready in solving example number 1. But first, we write down the given. Okay? So the given of this problem are, we have the 1,000 pesos. That is the principal. Yun yung ating ininvest. So P equals 1,000 pesos. And then we have 8%. So this is the rate of interest. So R equal to 8%. And the required of the problem is the money that we're going to have after 6 years. So that is the future value of money. Okay, so that is F. F is the unknown on example number 1. Okay, okay. Now, I forgot to write T. No? T is the number of years, which is equivalent to 6 years on our example number 1. Now, we can use these two formulas in solving for the value of F or the future value of money, or we can go directly to this formula to solve for F, which is F equals P times quantity 1 plus RT. Okay, now we're going to use these two formulas first in solving for the money that we're going to have after 6 years. So we solve for the interest. So I equals PRT, and then I equals, we substitute the given values. We have 1,000 pesos for P. R is should be converted to decimals, so that is, we move the decimal point from left to right, so twice, so that will be 0.08. So times 0.08 here, and then the time is 6 years, so there is no need to convert that to years kasi naka-years na siya. Then using our scientific calculator, we have the product of these three. So we have 1,000 times 0.08 times 6, and then you press equals. Our answer is 480 pesos. So, yun yung, 480 pesos. Okay. So, ito yung magiging interest natin if we're going to invest 1,000 pesos at 8% rate of interest after 6 years. So the next is to compute for the required in the problem. We have f equals, okay, we solve for f. So we have f equals p plus I. So therefore, our money after 6 years will be the sum of these two. We have 1,000 pesos plus 480 pesos. So the sum of these is 1,000, okay, 1,480 pesos. So this will be your future value of money. If we're going to invest 1,000 pesos at 8% rate of interest after 6 years. So that is our first method, okay? Now, we're going to try the other formula in solving for the value of f. So that we have f equals p quantity 1 plus RT. We should have the same value this ating first solution. So p quantity 1 plus RT, we have p equals 1,000 pesos times quantity 1 plus rate is 0.08 times another opening parenthesis times t, which is 6 years. So using your scientific calculator, you're just going to display as is kung ano yung nakasulat sa ating whiteboard. So 1,000 pesos times quantity 1 plus open quantity 0.08 close parenthesis times 6 close parenthesis and then press equal sign equals. So our answer is the same, which is 1,480 pesos. Okay. So we can use this formula in solving for the future value of money, which is 1,480, or you can use these two formulas to solve for f. And as you can see, we have the same result. So that will be my first example on how to compute simple interest. Thank you.
Okay na?